So hello guys, in this video we will going to see that how you can make a CSS tab. As you can see, I have made this with HTML and CSS only. So let us see that how it is created. Now here I am in CSS tab.html. Here you can see that I have taken two tab 1 and tab 2. And to make this CSS tab, we will take the help of the input type radio. As you know that there is the checked functionality, so we will take the advantage of the CSS input type radio, in which we will conditionally show the tab on checked of the input. So when in this input is checked, then we will show the first tab, and when the input 2 is checked, then we will show tab 2. And you know that CSS input type radio has the only one value for the same name. So when the first input is checked, then second is automatically unchecked. So here you can say that input is checked. So when tab 1 is checked, tab 1 input is checked, then I am showing tab 1 display flags. And when tab 2 is checked, then we are showing tab 2, and initially the tab will be displayed none. So in this way you can make CSS tab. So this was the how you can make CSS tab with HTML and CSS only. You can get this code in the description. Thank you.